guys, it's Josh from World of Camping, and in this video we're looking at driveway awning fixing kits. So behind me I have a backdrop with an awning rail. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the camera in a bit closer. I'm going to show you how to attach an awning fixing kit and just show you some of the positives of why you might want one for your camping trip. Okay, so we're here at the edge of the awning rail, and I've got a detached kit here. This is for the Vango Airway. Kits usually come in two parts. You'll get KDAR strip and figure of 8 tubing, and to attach it to your vehicle, you just get your KDAR strip and you feed that on, like so. You would then get your figure of 8 tubing and feed that on to the KDAR. And then lastly, you would get the edge of your awning, which will have some sort of KDAR attachment, and slide that onto the figure of 8. As you can see, I did that in seconds. It literally is such a quick way of attaching an awning to your vehicle. And the beauty of these is if you wanted to leave your awning up at the campsite while you go out for the day, all you have to do is pull out the figure of 8, pull out your KDAR, and you're completely detached from your awning. It's really fast, it's really effective. We sell awning kits for Vango awnings, Outdoor Revolution awnings, as well as we sell custom sections of KDAR and figure of 8 for specific lengths of vehicle. So any kind of vehicle or awning, we have you covered. But if you go on our website, you'll find all the details you need. But yeah, thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.